Welcome back everyone to a new episode of Ceratopsians channel. Today what I have here are my SINOCERATOPS collection. This one's from Dominion and these two are from Camp Cretaceous. Okay guys, so the reason why I brought these two out because today is the street date release of the new Hammond Collection SINOCERATOPS. Yeah. Also, the Mosaurus is already out. Also, I believe the Dryosaurus. We already have the Ornitolithys. Okay, so there you go. There's the back. There's the side. There's a broken horn Sinoceratops creeps up on a paralyzed Owen Grady. Okay, I'm not gonna read the whole thing. There you go. Nice packaging. Really, really nice. I'm just a little sad that the marble eye is gone. They decided to go back to the older ones. I wish they stick to the marble eye, which is really way better. Excuse me. Okay, so let's unbox it and compare to its older variants. Alright. Okay guys, let's check it out. Nice. Oh man. I don't want to damage the box. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna add this to my Hammond Collection downstairs. It is from Fallen Kingdom. Pretty cool. Oh man, why is it stuck? Oh, okay, there you go. Oh yes. Oh man, it looks like a little small. There you go. Okay, maybe a little the same, but the body is like it's a new sculpt now compared to the classic or the older Sinoceratops. Okay, so it has a... Where's the... Oh, there you go. The missing jaw. It's down there. I knew it was like... Uh-oh, it's missing. But it fell over there. It's right in the corner. So let's check this baby out. Bring him out. Alright guys, it is the 1st of December. We are almost at the end of the year again. Oh, man, stuck. Let's go in the back. Okay, got it out. There's the tail and the other jaw. Let's take out the tail. Whoops. Oh man, what happened? It's still stuck. Are you serious? Okay. Here's the tail. Let's put it in. There you go. Hear the snapping. Wow. Look at the creases. Look at the creases on its legs. It's crazy. Look at that. I think we'll stick to the broken horn. I think it looks better. Let's get the jaw right there. I think we'll leave the mouth open as well because most of the Sinoceratops here are their mouths are closed. Look at this, guys. So let's change the horn. Let's take this out. Ow. Oh man, that's really stuck in there. Okay, I got it out. Let's switch it. Oh, there you go. That's what it looks like. Then you can put it back in. Nice. Wow. Look at the spikes in this guy. Wow. Looks like a spiky one. So I think it looks better with the tongue out. Let's do some poses here. Oh man, that's really hard. Ow. There you go. I think the older ones are a little bigger. Yeah, they're taller. Look at that. Yeah. They have a bigger back, the older ones. And has a bigger bump on the back. However, the face looks better though. I just wish they really stick to the marble eye. It'll look a little better. The horns are also longer to the older ones. Oh. Alright, but anyways. Okay. Okay, it looks a little odd there. Look at that. The spikes on the head looks like it's about to come off. Look at that part right there. Not looking good. I don't like that part. But nice paint. At least they paint the toes are painted. Look at that. It's way better. Well, none of these were painted. Look at the claws. All of them were not painted. Right. I think we should change. Where's the here? Let's try this jaw right here. Let's see if it comes off. How do we take this off? There we go. Came off. Now, wow, that looks really strange. There you go. Now we have a close one. I wish they just stick with the articulated, you know, like it opens up, not like this. Okay, we'll stick to the other one. I think the other one was better. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Ugh. What? Ugh. Okay, we'll stick to this one. There. And we'll stick to the broken horn. Should we stick to the broken horn? Okay, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a good one now.